Hello smart investors, how you doing? This is Precious Obong wishing you a happy new year. Welcome to 2025, a year of amazing possibilities, and I trust you are ready to explore the real estate market and so many other investments. So do not sleep on properties that will be bringing to you this new year, because they are vetted, they are clean, they are safe, so this is what I do, bringing you investment opportunities in real estate. So welcome to Civic Town, proposed international airport. It's just facing it, yes, and it's a government allocation C of O land, yes. So this is an investment opportunity for that salary investor looking to grow his or her wealth with real estate over time. So investors, this is an opportunity you shouldn't sleep on. The features we'll be bringing here are amazing: swimming pool, cottages, long tennis courts, street lights, drainage, good road network, and electricity. Lots and lots more. So investors, this property is landmarked with notable infrastructure. I've talked about the international airport, the Alawa City, the free trade zone, the Dangote Refinery, the Pan-Atlantic University, the Eleganza Industries, and so many other amazing landmarks. So investors, you will not want to sleep on this property. With an initial deposit of 3 million naira, you subscribe to a 500 square meter plot selling for 26 million. This is an introductory price, yes. And with 300 square meter, you want to have a slice of what we have here for 15.6 million naira. So this is juicy, investors. You will not afford to sleep on this property. This property is strategic, and I know as strategic investors, you want to invest in a property that is as this. So call the numbers today. Let's kickstart your real estate investment here in Civic Town. See you in my next video. Bye bye.